Before, akala ko, basta invest ka lang. Punta maganda tong stocks na to, SM, Ayala.
Okay, so ever since now you got married, had kids, and then graduated, joined the corporate world. So ever since you mentioned that you came from lower middle class family. So growing up, ano yung financial learnings na sana tinuro sa'yo before ka makapasok sa adulting?
Actually, madami. Pero focus ko lang in the interest of time. Acronym RFP. Di ba? RFP. Pinag-isipan ko to. So, R refers to risk versus return. Before, akala ko, basta invest ka lang. Punta maganda tong stocks na to, SM, Ayala. Sige, invest ka lang. Ganun lang. That I was taught. Pero, hindi pala, kailangan mo din pala i-consider yung volatility ng market. Kailangan ko din pala i-consider yung risk. Tapos, dapat pala mag-match yung time horizon ng goals ko dun sa volatility ng investment. So, hindi ko yun dati naiintindihan. So, marami akong mga wrong investments na nagawa. Pero buti nga, along the way, I was able to learn that. So, sana natutunan ko yon na hindi pwedeng yung investment mo lahat nasa aggressive. Hindi pala lahat ng investments mo na siya conservative. So, it really depends on what's your goal. And then, dun sa goal mo, i-match mo yung corresponding risk and return. So, yon R. Risk versus return.